now. Continue. Nice. Balik tayo ano? Sorry ha. And namiss yung sinsip rin ako. At siya. Extend. Yes. Go to your knee yoke or putting a wash, and then from here, do your EQ already. Each knee, so. Then add your pin. Okay. Inhale, stretch, and then boom. Yan, wala sa atin. Kaya nga nabigyan na. Slowly, basta naka-extend. This is one good up. Stretch. And then go to your EQ. Each knee, so. Out of the line and degrees, extend. Same. Now, you know the extra special. And then inhale. Yan. Keep this level. Huwag nyo nang tuwag sa kaka. Keep this level. Kailan mo ito sa likod. Para makapahit mayo. And then yung kinip, huwag mo na pakadito. Daw na lang. Huwag mo na lang yung likod. Daw. Out, extend, drop, do. Okay, slide sa nikyo, grab ang waist para dito makabulong niya. Okay, and make sure side by side. Hindi mag-pin diri ha. Side by side mo okay. And then inhale. Secure elbow, don't lift up. Push down lang. This one goes out. Tail sa likod. Okay. Since inayatan mo sa simula, at sa subong meron ko pala buwan. Dali. Huwag muna. Yes. Out. This one. Bam. Much better. Yes. Nice. Yes, berat. Yes. 2, 3. Dapat disunod tayo. Sunod. Ang kamot, hindi pag baylo ha. Okay. Inhale. And slide neck yun. Now listen. From now on, hindi bugi-bugi ang talito na. Magkikima na. Yes. Okay. Okay na po now. And roll. Big. 10 degrees. Good. Drop and extend. Yes. Ini siya mo na. Kaya mo niya para ito po kayo. Hinarihan mo lang ha. Ito po na. Yes, matulog mo ako kayo. Likod. Tingnan. Okay. Degrees. Walk elements up, extension and drop. Both. Yes, like that. Slide up. In position. Dapat pa kamot. Okay. That's it. Okay. Kamot yung gusto mayo sa ikiyo. Go down. Dili sa likod. Sige, at last. Tengkan full. Yan. Pag nag-tengkan na, make sure to drop ang kamot mo. Yes. Extend and drop both. Slide out, connect here. Yes, then do your EQ. 1, 2, 3. Come on, let's go. Hey. Ayusin ang pagkakay. Okay. Safe. No problem. You itch. Ni. Sama. Tingnan ko ang puno. Huwag kang buksin ang gripa. Itch. Okay. Extend and drop. Atras ko pinanglan. Atras business. Slide up. Change position. Takpan yung kamot para yung butong ko ay hindi. Buka sa shoulder mo sa long. Yes, yes. Okay? Okay, yes. Elbows mo ang paikyo mo. Elbow mo mo. Asa mo kamot? Asa kamot? Yes! Oh, another define it. Yes. 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 Change position lagi. Hindi mo buka mo. Side by side ka mo dapat ayaw ko. Side by side. Yes. Ini sa shoulder mo dapat. Tapos side. Yes. Tapos kata mo na. Side buka mo. And then okay. Nice. Okay. Refine. So IQ mo. Yes. Yes. Push down na. And then good. And then same line, follow, and then do your number 1. From here, sulod gid anay, hindi anay mag tuga-tuga sa saltat. Once sisyo ka na, do your cut very smoothly, hindi mo kayong taas. Elbow straight tayo. And then cut down to your in front of you. But sa naman natin. And then butong each, and then do your ayos na each, sulod, sama. Pagkabun, tumba, tsaka kamayas. And then put your each. Now for a pivot. Remember, pivot, side by side na kamo. Now I am in the position 2. And then see, mga ako dali, I have to close up. Tight up or pura side by side, and then out, drop down, clear up, clean your position up, and then you come in, mirror slowly, change position, and then already in your each of your shionagi, sulod anay, and then you come in, perform, pagbagsak, clean up your position. Okay, come in, slide out, okay, don't bounce, okay, out, and then slide out, time side by side, and then out of the line, side by side, side by side, one more time, side by side, tengkan, look. Hindi sa lahat ng oras, ang inyong partner ng OP is kabisado movement. So, kamo nga nag-adjust nyo para si OP is malid nyo. Okay? From the moment you preempt, tengkan, side by side, shiver na, down, and then, yung aking ito. Galing kumain, dahil ang alam natin, yes. Okay. Pero, ako mo ilagay mo. Okay. Yes. Slowly. Okay, madali. Yes. Okay, good on. Guys, listen to me. Pag nag-shoulders ka mo, ang ulo sa ulo nyo, make sure ang nakadikit dito nyo. Maski kung nakamot, yung sa bicep, kung na yung mag-iwal. Okay? So, para makalabyo din siya, bring this ahead of okay, and then you go big circle. Okay. Let's show me. Big circle. Okay, guys, listen. Ang inyo bilang kamot, hindi nyo pag-itenga dito. Ang ulo niyo upin nyo, secure nyo, ang kamot nyo, paabutan nyo, and then tsaka lang step forward, or throw. So meaning to say, okay. Yes. Di na kaya hindi na. Yes. Yes. Bisa mo. Di na mo. Much better. Yes. Wala. So, don't practice like that exclusively. Ang bako. Pero kaya pa rin ako, hindi mo punta ka. Sure. Okay. Yes. 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 No. Inhale up. Inhale, exhale. Kung buka ang upod, usually ang nakatabo pa tao upod mo. So take that opportunity na ikaw mo. Sige lang, follow lang, okay? Follow lang, game simulate lang. Okay? Yes, up. Jumili!